Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another edition of Tuesday Tips. Today, what I'm here to talk to you about is a really common misconception out there when it comes to people's roofs. Specifically, when you look up and you see the long black kind of streaks, almost like fingerlings, coming down off a roof. And people tend to think that it is the granules coming off their roof there, and that's just the exposed fiberglass matting at that point. Well, it's a really common misconception, but it is wrong. Very often, what that is, and most commonly, it's just algae growth. Because you have to remember, an asphalt shingle is a petroleum based product, which means that it is a natural substance. So, over time, moisture and dirt just from dust and whatnot falling throughout the area and the trees and the leaves, well, over time, that creates an environment that allows algae to grow. Okay, because all the little cracks in between all the granules allow that to just kind of sit there and slowly grow over time. So, next question is, does that mean your roof needs to be replaced? And the short answer is, just because you have algae up there, it certainly does not. What you can do, and what we do recommend you do, is have a professional come out and clean it. There's a special substance that you use that will not harm the shingles and will actually kill that algae and allow it to fall off there. The big thing to remember is you don't ever want to get up there with a power washer or a scrub brush or a broom. We've seen a lot of different DIY try and fixes up there. And very frankly, most of the time when you do that, you'll end up damaging the shingles themselves, and then that can have greater implications for your warranties if you ever did have a warranty claim. So the simple solution is you can either leave it be. It doesn't really hurt anything too greatly to have it up there. Over a long period of time, yes, it could lead to moss or other things growing up on that roof, and that's never good. But the other option is the one we do recommend. Contact a great contractor like us here at Kanga Roof. Our service technician will come out. They'll inspect it, they'll document it, and then we will take care of that for you. We will go up there and we'll provide a roof cleaning for you, and it really does a wonderful job of restoring the natural colors and look to your roof, and should buy you a lot longer life out of that roof too. So if you have any questions, always feel free. Contact us, 586-566-0308. You can also reach out to us at www.kanga-roof.com or hop to it at kanga-roof.com. Thanks again for tuning in, everyone. Can't wait to see you next week. Take care.